what your goals are. Typically, we're not going to do a VI peel within maybe 4 weeks. So maybe 4 to 6 weeks. Yes.
Okay.
And we can do these in a series.
Right,
You can
that's
have
what
them
I
done to maintain certain results. And you can, I like to mix and match. So, do, you know, BBL, if you're doing something to your skin about every 3 months, whether it be a BBL and then you try a chemical peel or a micro needling, you know, we're addressing different concerns in the skin with different modalities. And each one's building off of the other. So, this particular VI peel, the advanced, has a booster, the advanced booster in it, so I will apply that. And we're working with trifluoroacetic acid, which is TCA. We are working with vitamin C in this peel, as well as, what did I say so far? TCA.
TCA, vitamin C.
Retinoic acid. Yes. Okay. Now, best part about this peel is she's only going to feel a light tingle on the surface of her skin for about 30 seconds, and that's it.
Does that have numbing cream in it?
No,
No.
nothing.
It's not needed, right?
Not needed
Yeah.
for this peel. The more superficial peels, the single acids that we can put on our skin, those are the ones that usually feel very spicy. Okay, here we go. So I will put 3 layers on Melissa. She will keep this solution on her skin for 4 hours before she washes her face. It's gonna be a late night for you, ma'am. Sorry.
Would you do that on the neck too?
Yes, we can do 1 pass of this peel on her neck, and it will help to firm.
Permanently firm or just
So the question was permanently firm
We
or
need to talk about some skincare ingredients. I don't.
that requires a package, and that's when we talk about stacking treatments, right?
So if anyone has time, I'm gonna 1 to 2 minutes before I do the next layer
Okay,
on her skin.
okay,
If we can, if somebody can, just keep an eye on this.
okay, let's do it.
I set mine.
Thanks, Sherry, okay. Okay, so I love when the teens come in for this because, you know, it's such a critical age when they're in school, and especially if they have a texture issue or a problem with acne-prone skin, you can really get this done, and it's preventative, and it can help them, and it just boosts that self-confidence. And that's not just for teens, that's for adults as well. But
And
these,
how soon after this you can do your stacking other, you know, treatments like your HIGA or your BMB, like
The BBL.
BBL, sorry.
so let's just repeat the question for the
Okay.
people who are on live. So that was, the question was, how soon after a VI peel can you stack on other treatments such as a BBL?
After a VI peel, I would wait a minimum of 2 weeks. Some skin types won't peel in such a thick layer within those 3 days, day 3, 4, and 5. If you have a drier skin type, you will have that thicker layer of skin that will peel. If you are an oilier skin type, you won't peel in the same way. You may feel some skin kind of rolling, or it may look like a light sunburn type of peel. Depending upon your skin type and how your skin responds, I would safe to say 2 to 4 weeks after a VI peel.
Coming up on 2 minutes.
Okay, perfect, thank you. You are on it, ma'am.
And Bailey, let's talk about what will happen as the VI peel treatment is progressing. So what will tomorrow look like? What will
So-
the 3rd day look like?
Once you leave the office with the peel on your skin, I like to recommend that you don't have a lot of social obligation that day to be outside because it will just be this. She looks very, very bronze. She will keep the peel on her skin for 4 hours, and then she will open up her packet that she gets for post-VI peel, and she will start to follow the steps that it will say 4 hours post-treatment. She will cleanse her skin with the treatment cleanser given to her, and then she will use her first towelette. So with the VI peel, you get 3 retinoic acid towelettes with your peel that I instruct you to use exactly the way that I applied your peel. It's not a refreshing or cleansing towelette. It is active retinoic acid and vitamin C. So it's L-ascorbic with this and retinoic acid with this peel. And she will follow the instructions. She will wait a few minutes after cleansing. She will pat her face dry. She'll wash her hands so her fingers don't peel. And then she'll put her post-treatment cream on for comfort. And then at least 4 hours after that step, she can do her nighttime routine, which will be to cleanse again, use her second towelette, put her cream on, and then go to bed. The next morning, it tells you to cleanse your skin. It does also come with a mineral sunscreen, SPF 50. So you can put that on, put your makeup on. Your skin will look normal the day of your peel. It will look normal the second day of your peel. It will even look like glass. The night on day 2, she will use her third and final retinoic acid peel towelette if she pleases. You don't have to use it, but you can. It's that day 3 that you will start to feel a bit tight. You'll still look like just glass. You'll start to feel a little tight, and then it will start cracking. This is what we're moving. We're expressing, we're moving, so it starts to go outward. You will more than likely have some skin that you can visually see. You will be tempted to scratch and poke and peel and you can't do any of that because you promised that you won't. But you can trim it with scissors. So you can get some real tiny scissors and trim that skin, and that process happens for about 3 days. Again, this is one of my very, very favorite treatments.
I mean, you look beautiful after that skin comes
I
off, too.
have forgotten that I even did the peel at one point, and I took my son out to eat pizza. And I think I may have worried some of the staff because they just started cracking and okay, but my son was like, Mom, we need to go home now. I think he was embarrassed, but I was like, I know what my skin's gonna look like after this, so I'm fine. I want my pizza.
And it is very interesting. My daughter came in and Bailey did a VI peel on her skin, and your skin will come off in sheets. And again, you will be very tempted to just pull that off, but you just cut it with a scissor, and it is a really nice, glowing, beautiful skin after that's done, and it lasts for quite some time.
So the ingredients in this peel will encourage your skin cells to turn over faster over just the time frame that it's on your skin, which is the best part. So your skincare ingredients work better. Everything goes on flawlessly. And the feedback that I get with this particular peel is the crow's feet. Something about this peel just does wonders for the crow's feet, and even the slight crinkle right here. It works very well with that too. Do you want me to do a little extra on the neck there?
Mm-hmm. Never forget the neck or the hands. That's what I say.
Hands, definitely. I will say the neck will feel the most itchy. Different skin, and on our face it will respond differently. That's why your skincare products for your face, not all of them are meant to go on your neck. But who doesn't want a little neck cream?
That's right.
Okay, so I won't put any more layers on you, but I will go over your aftercare instructions, okay? Okay. All right. So, this is the aftercare exercise that you get with every single VI peel that you have done. There are 3 towelettes in here. Always remember to wash your hands immediately upon finishing these. When you do apply these, unfold it, fold it back to where you can use more of it at a time. And I would recommend going upward on your first towelette, and it will be one pass exactly the way that I applied your peel. The next towelette, you can go in the opposite direction just to ensure full coverage, okay? So this is your instruction. They don't leave anything out. They also have a QR code that you can scan with your phone and make, you know, if you prefer that, or you can just tape this to your mirror. So there's no excuses. Okay.
No excuses.
So today is your day one.
Okay.
It will say 4 hours post peel, but we can modify this just a bit. There's some wiggle room. So you will follow instruction per bullet. And then in here is your facial cleanser, your SPF, and your post-treatment. This is a 1% hydrocortisone cream, so I don't want you to use it past day 3 or 4. Okay? All right. And to you, and then in a couple weeks, if you're busier, you just gawk over the results. And I love to walk past somebody in the hallway and their skin shedding everywhere. Favorite. You know, they might want to run and hide, but I love it. Okay, do you have any questions for me regarding your field? Okay, this is for you.
Okay, so we're going to conclude the Facebook Live now because we're finished with all of the treatments, and we hope you enjoyed this. And thank you to everyone who joined us on Facebook Live. We appreciate you, and you can give us a call here at our center at Hotze Beauty. You can visit us at hotzehwc.com, and you can go to our aesthetics page, and we will be more than happy to have a complimentary consultation with you and to make your skin healthy.